Resorts World Las Vegas Conrad. This is hotel number 2 for me at Resorts World. I'm off to the 3rd hotel here, Crockford's, after this, and I just came from Resorts World Hilton. I had the cheapest room over at the Hilton and it was really decent, and now I have the cheapest room here at Conrad. This room is really nice, especially considering it's the base room and the entry-level room. If you're coming to Resorts World Conrad, pay attention to this video because this is the most popular room and you are most likely going to be staying in this configuration. This is a full-blown room tour. Let's get it started in the bathroom. The focal point of this bathroom is the black marble vanity. How cool is this? This thing oozes class, it oozes luxury, and it oozes coolness. Below it, you have this really trick red cutout cubby to store the towels, a hair dryer, anything you want to keep beneath. And then above it, it's a mirror I've never seen in style before. This is a D-shaped mirror, and it is so unique, and it reflects everywhere throughout this bathroom. In case you're curious, we are using Mojave Ghost products. I do not like these dispenser community products. I think they lack class. I also think there's some health and safety concerns, but I will say that these Mojave Ghost products are really amazing. There is a little vanity kit here in case you forgot some necessities at home. And then swinging over to the left, this shower is beautiful. Floor to ceiling glass, dual shower head setup. You have one fixed on the wall, that's your shower handle. Then you have a true rain head coming directly from the ceiling. And just like Resorts World Hilton, there is a seating area in here as well. It is huge. Definitely enough space to store some extra products or even have someone join you. Opposite of the shower here is your water closet. Nice, tall, frosted glass. As we open it up, it's nice and bright and fresh and clean in here. I'm really digging the white motif, little artwork on the wall, and of course you have your toilet there. So getting out of the bathroom, and before I get to the main portion of the room, I just want to show you one thing in this closet, and that is 2 robes. And I'm pointing these out for 2 reasons. Number 1, you may really enjoy your robe life, so there are 2 robes here. And number 2, there were not any robes over at the Hilton room. So this is definitely an enhanced luxury feature that you're not going to get over at the Hilton property. All right, let's make our way into the main portion of the room. Take a look at this foyer. This hallway is really wide. It's probably at least 6 feet wide. I think that's definitely a sign of elegance. As we enter the room, we have our mini bar. This is the identical mini bar setup that you're going to get over at the Hilton. You have your exact same products featured up top, and then you have your mini bar configuration down here. It's the exact same products that you get over at the Hilton. So again, no changes. And this is a feature that I loved over at the Hilton, and that is the side-by-side mini fridge. So you have your convenience products to the left, the optional products you can buy, and then you can store some stuff to the right. I think this is such a great idea. I think Las Vegas hotel rooms definitely need more mini fridges. So the mini bar and mini fridge setup is the same as the Hilton, but take a look at this. Take a look at this black leather glass and ice box setup. This is so cool. I just love it when the Vegas hotel rooms wrap their ice buckets in black leather. I think that is such a sign of sophistication. This is a really neat touch. And then let's move on into the main portion of the room. Studio type of setup in here, wide open. Definitely a lot of space for an entry-level room here in Las Vegas. We have a TV up here on the left. This TV is huge. This is one of the largest TVs I've seen in a standard hotel room. It's brand new, it's thin, it's got really bold colors on it. Right below it is a luggage rack and some storage to keep your stuff organized and close by. And then to the right, we have the bed. This bed is beautiful. Look at this thing. There's a lot going on here. So firstly, you have your foot bench or bed bench. I always say it is not a 5-star luxury hotel unless it has a foot bench or a bed bench. I love keeping my outfits here for the next day, maybe keep some electronics close by, use it as a place to get ready in the morning. These bed benches are highly functional. I love it when a hotel room has these. And then take a look at this bed setup. King size bed. You have a gorgeous piece of artwork that is above the headboard. The artwork is accentuated by an illuminated headboard. You can see the light being reflected upon that. And then take a look at that headboard. It spans the entire length of the wall in a beautiful wrapped red leather. That is so cool. So I'm really curious what this bed is going to be like. Is it going to be the same bed that was over at the Hilton? Conrad is an uptick in luxury. Should it have a different bed? I think it should. It feels really similar. It feels a smidge different, but it feels really similar. Maybe it's the bedding that's different. Hilton usually always has pretty good beds. This one will definitely suffice. And then check out this end table area real quick. First of all, implanted into the headboard on each side are outlets and USBs. And then you have a wireless charger right here that is so convenient. And then here is the functional part of the room. You have your table and chair set up. 2 red chairs. I'm really liking the red touches in this room. And you also have a really classy white marble countertop as well. This is where you're going to have your room service, probably your coffee in the morning. And this is going to be your desk area since there isn't one in this room. So here is the view from my room. I'm on floor 38. And I think this is a very slight upgrade. It's something I didn't pay for or ask for. I think it's just luck of the draw. I think you could easily have a view of the other side of the hotel if you do pick the cheapest room. I think I just got lucky here, but this is an awesome view of the pools. There are 5 pools down there. You have access to all of them. You definitely keep your eye on all the action, the weather, and jump down there at a moment's notice. So here are my thoughts. This room is fresh, it's clean, it's modern, it still smells brand new, and there's nothing like entering a brand new hotel room or feeling like you're in a brand new hotel room. I like the luxurious touches such as the black marble vanity in the bathroom, as well as that black leather wrapped ice bucket. I think that's such a neat little touch. And I'm liking the red motif as well, whether it's the sitting chairs or the headboard that spans the entire length of the wall. So this is exactly what I thought it would be. I've stayed at Conrad's in the past. Conrad is pretty much the JW Marriott of the Hilton family. They are luxurious and modern with a little bit of trend and a little bit of cool. I am loving the color choices in this room. It's comfortable, it's classy, it's luxurious, and I'm really excited to be here. I'm here for 4 nights. These are just my first impressions. They could change, and I definitely want to see more of the Resorts World property, from some more bars and lounges and restaurants to the pools. I'm going to try to unlock as much as possible. That is not going to be in this video, though. That is going to be my experience video. If you're interested in what I do here for 4 nights, make sure you check it out. It'll be on my channel, or eventually I'll drop a link in the description below.